going to unbox 3 different items for my car. So I have got 3 different items from Amazon. So let me open this up first. So as I opened it, now let me remove the items. So this is the Bluetooth receiver which I bought. It's a G22. So I will open it later on. And this is the e-cigarette extender. It's also have the USB connection. It's no trash inside. And this is the nothing else inside. And this is the dash camera. It has 3 functions, so I'll unbox this in the next video. So it's a very good dash camera, having a lot of features. I will install it later on. So yeah, so these were the 3 items that I bought from Amazon. So see you in the next video. Okay, thank you guys.